How to change Snapchat username before a year. So the steps are so simple to follow. Now open up your Snapchat app. After you open Snapchat, go to your profile. From your profile like this, now go to settings. After you open settings, now scroll all the way to down. Scroll to down and go to this help center. After you open this help center, allow it to finish loading. So from this section, now scroll to down again. Go to this contact us. Here is it now. Contact us. Tap on this option. So from this option, now scroll to down. Now tap on this. As you can see now, I need help with Snapchat settings. So after I choose this one, scroll to down again. Go and tap on this settings again. So in this section, after I choose settings, now scroll to down and choose this other again. So from this section, scroll to down. In this section, now go and type in your current username. Your current username, that not the one that you want to change, your current one that's existing on your account. Now type in your email address in this section. So in this option, now go ahead and type in apology to the Snapchat that you made a mistake by changing your username. Now you need them to help you to change the username without waiting for the 1 year. After you finish typing your text, just tap on the submit button. From there, you can just wait for 2 to 3 days. Snapchat will reach out to you with the possible method to change your username. That's it, guys, on how to change Snapchat username before a year. Please like and subscribe.